houses to penthouses, from residential to commercial properties, we do it all at the Dwellings Design Studio. Our latest project takes us to the stunning spaces of Renaissance at Shorelands. The design studio was contracted by a client who wanted an apartment outfitted for the luxury rental market. With the competitive rental market, it was essential that this apartment stand out with a unique design aesthetic and value for the owner. This unit also needed to give the flexibility of accommodating a family with kids or just a couple. Let's take a look and see how we pulled this all together. Having evaluated and conceptualized the space, we presented a visual proposal and budget to the client. Since the rental property was targeted at the luxury high-end market, we thought a modern glam aesthetic would most appeal to the potential clients. With access to thousands of products from hundreds of brand-name suppliers, the Dwellings design team sourced, ordered and imported all custom pieces to meet the project specifications. When all the items were received, delivery was scheduled with our professional team, and then the fun started. Our white glove service includes our expert delivery team carefully unpacking, assembling and placing each item under the direction of our designer, working together to install every detail. The transformation began from the entrance. A modern chandelier and console anchor the entry and set the stage for what's to come. A unique and beautifully designed residence, set apart from its competitors. The Dwellings approach is a holistic one to create that ultimate space where any tenant can work, rest, relax, and even entertain in. Every detail was thought of, from flooring to lighting, from furnishings to tablescape. We wanted this apartment to feel like a luxury home away from home, and put this property at the top of the rental listings. The color palette throughout is very neutral to accommodate for any tenant's taste. This can be seen in the family room with neutral colors and a slight pop of blue, which creates a relaxing oasis and balances comfort and style. This lovely apartment also has a formal living room with the main purpose of entertaining. Again, neutrality and functionality were paired with modern elegance to create this stunning space. As we move into the dining room area, a modern take on the classic dining chair with solid chrome legs not only provides an incredibly comfortable dining experience, but the elongated chandelier over the dining table stands out as a chic focal point within the space. A gorgeous tablescape and other accessories chosen by the Dwellings design team really convey luxury in this room and help set the stage for stylish entertaining. Mirrored elements are used throughout to reflect light and make each space seem as expansive as possible. All the elements in this apartment were chosen specifically to flow seamlessly into this outdoor patio, which lends to such a breathtaking view of the scenery. For this luxury unit, we wanted to create a glam master bedroom, a relaxing and plush retreat. Of course, an opulent king-size bed outfitted with our top-of-the-line bedding was chosen with modern and practical storage units. Lamps, throw pillows and custom drapery completed the look. The result was a truly spectacular room. We kept the sleep accommodations flexible for any tenant by including a glam look for the queen guest bedroom and opting for twin accommodations for the other guest bedroom. What tenant wouldn't fall in love with these rooms? We kept the home office modern, sleek, and gender neutral. The Dwellings Design Studio team had an amazing time designing, planning, and installing this luxury unit at Renaissance. A complete success for owner and tenant. We couldn't ask for more. The Dwellings approach is an investment which certainly pays off. With nothing to lose and the world to gain, start today with your free consultation and take it all the way to a custom design for your entire home or business. The Design Studio team is dedicated to bringing their passion to your home. Make an appointment today and get closer to that dream space you've always wanted.